Welcome to PC Error Detective. In today's video, we'll show you how to install audio output device in HP laptop. If you're having trouble hearing sound on your laptop, don't worry. We're here to guide you step by step. First, click on the Start menu and type Device Manager into the search bar. Device Manager is where you can manage all your hardware devices. Next, open your Device Manager by clicking on it. This window gives you access to all the hardware installed on your laptop. Expand the section called Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. This is where your audio devices are listed. Right-click on your audio device from the list. This will open a menu with several options. Click on Properties from the menu. The Properties window gives you detailed information about the device and options to fix it. Now, open the Driver tab at the top of the Properties window. The Driver tab is where you can update, disable, or uninstall your driver. Click on Update Driver to start updating the audio driver manually. Then select Browse My Computer for driver software. This allows you to pick the driver you want to install from your computer. After that, select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. This shows all compatible drivers already installed. Choose High Definition Audio Device from the list. This driver often works best for standard audio output. Press Next to start installing the selected driver. Windows will automatically handle the installation process. When asked, press Yes to confirm you want to install this driver. Finally, close the window and restart your computer. Restarting helps the changes take effect properly. If that method didn't work, don't worry. Let's try another way. Click on the Start menu again and type Device Manager. Open Device Manager by clicking on it from the search results. Expand the Sound, Video, and Game Controllers section again to find your audio device. Right-click your audio device and select Properties. Open the Driver tab just like before. Click on Update Driver to open the driver update options. This time, select Search automatically for updated driver software. Windows will search online for the latest driver. If it still doesn't find anything, click on Search for updated drivers on Windows Update to check for updates through Windows. If you're still facing issues, there's one more method to try. Click on the Start menu and type Device Manager once more. Open your Device Manager from the list. Expand the Sound, Video, and Game Controllers section to see your audio device. Right-click on your audio device and select Properties. Open the Driver tab to see more options. Click on Uninstall Device. This will remove the faulty driver from your system. Press Uninstall to confirm the removal. Now, restart your computer. Windows will automatically attempt to reinstall the missing driver during reboot. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful troubleshooting guides.